Want to fix Windows Update SSD failure issue? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First thing you want to do is open your settings, then go to System, now go to Windows Update. Now click on Update History. You want to note the last update that caused your SSD to fail. Next, you want to restart your PC, then press Shift plus Restart to reboot into Advanced Setup. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Option and then Command Prompt. Now you want to type chkdsk space c:/ /f /r and press enter to check and repair your SSD for errors. This may take some time. After that is completed, run sfc /scan now and press enter to fix corrupted system files that might have caused the failure. Now go back to Windows Update. Then go to Uninstall Updates. Now click on the Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall again to confirm to remove the update that caused the issue. Then restart your PC. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.